Hey you guys, what's up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I do appreciate it. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, ring the bell. I will support you back. Yes, I will. You know I will. If this is not your first time with me, then you guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? And yes, it is Thanksgiving. So I decided to do another speedy tutorial because I did do one for Halloween. I enjoy doing these so much. I don't know. I just really enjoy them. So if you guys want to see my Thanksgiving speedy tutorial, Thanksgiving work style. I don't know when you'll see this, but it is Thanksgiving today. So I love you all. Thank you so much in advance for watching, and I hope you enjoy. I'll explain more in the next clip. So if you guys are interested, you know the drill. Keep on watching and I'll be right back. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody is having a great day so far. Today is actually Thanksgiving, and on Halloween I did the same thing. So I think I want to do it again. I'm actually going to do a speedy tutorial. Get ready with me. This is going to be Thanksgiving style instead of Halloween style. So I decided to go ahead and just cut the camera on and start recording. I am at a different angle, in case you didn't notice. I'm sure you did, but I am at a different angle. I'm trying out a new light, so I hope you guys will be able to see that soon. I'll have a review up on that. So it's a really nice light. So but yeah, so I'm gonna do a quick through speedy tutorial. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet, but you guys know with me and the speedy tutorials, it is what it is, right? So if you guys, are interested in seeing this, just keep on rolling with me. I'm going to tell you what I put on my face so far. I did use a little bit of the Pure Release moisturizer. On top of that, I put this Kaja. This is the Kaja water cream, and it's a Kaja water Blur Drop Weightless Primer, excuse me. And I love this primer. I would love to have this in a larger size. It does remind me a lot of that unicorn primer that we got in Ipsy, and it also reminds me a lot of my MAC Blur primer. So yeah, I love it. And for my foundation, I had this little sample of the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation, and oh my goodness, you guys, this foundation is absolutely amazing. I love it. I have it on right now. It's weird because I feel like it's blurring places that normally don't blur with just foundation and no powder. Like my crevices don't seem so big. So yeah, so we're gonna roll on with the speedy tutorial. So I do have my foundation base on. I have not put on any concealer or anything like that. So I figure we will start at concealer and then we would just roll on out from there. And you guys know how I do it. High speed, fast, and yeah, happy Thanksgiving. going to throw on some of this light, Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And I appreciate you guys watching so much. I really enjoy doing these speedy tutorials. They make me work quicker, and they just give you guys a really good way to pull off an easy, quick look without having to go through 100 million hoops. So I was able to get this done real time in about 20 minutes. You know, give or take. I had to get up a couple of times because the dog came in. Max came in and tried to knock over my screen back there. So, but yeah, so this is an easy, neutral look that you can do on the fly. And, you know, the products that I used, that little teeny star Natasha Denona palette, that's definitely travel friendly. I enjoy doing these speedy tutorials for you guys, and I get really good feedback from them. So thank you guys so much, so much for watching. I love you all so much. I'm very thankful for every single one of you. I hope you have a wonderful day with your families. I love you, but I will not argue with you. If you like this video, thumbs up, tap subscribe, ring the bell. I will support you back. You know I will. I will see you guys on my next video. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye. Hey you guys, what's up? Okay, so I wanted to give you an update on a couple of things that I did not get to cover in the video that I made earlier. It is actually Black Friday right now, and I completely forgot to mention in the video about Gerard Cosmetics and their amazing sale that they're having. It is 51% off site-wide. So that includes the Rich Luxe collaboration with the 2 setting sprays, and 3 setting sprays in the house. It includes all the regular products. Also bundles, mystery box bundles, which are just a multitude of different, there's 3 different ones, and there's just a multitude of amazing products in there, from lippies to brow products to setting sprays to the highlighters, the BB creams. So you guys definitely should go and check that out. You will not be able to get an extra 30% off because it's already 51% off, I think, but I do believe everything is free shipping. So yeah, I'm super excited about this sale. This doesn't come very often. I would love to leave you guys the link down below and have you go and check it out. It's so easy to get, you know, products from there, really amazing quality products for a super amazing price. And if you are looking to get for your, you know, sister, mother, daughter, you know, anybody who's into makeup, or even someone who's not into makeup, you know, lipsticks are, you know, amazing Christmas gifts, and so are the teeth whitening products are on sale. I mean, it's a really, really good sale. So I will leave my link down below, and you guys are welcome to go and use it if you like to. And I stand behind Gerard Cosmetics, and Jen Gerard is amazing. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. Okay, so number 2, I have been wearing this Bare Minerals Pro Foundation for well over 12 hours. These lights are fluorescent lights. You can see everything on my face, every little nook and cranny and bump and lump. Yes, this is what my face looks like when it's not under beauty lights, when it is under horrible fluorescent lights. So, but I love this foundation. It has not pitted into my skin. I haven't had to touch it up at all. The only places that look weird are like right here where my glasses sit, and that's it. And usually foundations, you know, by the end of the night or into the morning, I have to kind of touch up on them, you know, around the T-zone area. Sometimes even around here in the bottom of my chin, and like where I have hyperpigmentation. But I haven't had to do that, not one single time. So amazing. The eyeshadow has also held up very well. I know you cannot see it very well because of where I am standing, but it has held up well. I just need some tips and tricks on how to blend the darker shades of Natasha Denona. I put that in the annotations on the video, and I just had some issues blending that dark brown shade. So, you know, natural hair brush or a synthetic brush, or what size brush, you guys can let me know how you do it. If you have some of those products, just let me know. I would be really, really, really grateful and appreciative for tips on that. So, and one more thing, I have to contact Fleek because I was just walking down the hall at work and my earring actually broke. So these are the earrings that I was wearing, and these are the ones that came in the October ear fleek. Well, this little piece right here that's hooked to the O-ring right there, that little piece is gone. And this is what I have left. So I can't even fix it at this point. There's no fixing it. Like it was molded onto there. So yeah, I have the hook in my pocket too, and I was like, well, maybe I could fix it, you know, like, but then I realized it's not fixable. So this is the first time I've had any issues with ear Fleek. I have not showed you guys my November ear Fleek yet, which if you guys want to see it, let me know. But either way, yeah, I think I'm gonna contact them and just let them know, because I love these earrings so much. And if they have another pair, I would, or just one, I would really love to get them, because they were just really cute, and I've never seen any like this. So anyways, I just wanted to let you guys be aware of that, and let me know if you've had any issues with their stuff breaking and how their customer service is. So anyways, I will shut my mouth, and happy Black Friday shopping. You guys be safe. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I am going to get my plate of food right now. I'm probably not going to eat it all at once, but there's too much stuff in there. So if I get a chance, I'll go in there and take a picture and put it and insert it somewhere. But it is ridiculous how much stuff is in there. So I love you all. Will not argue with you. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, this is an update. I rarely do this, but this is an update, a good and bad update, but mostly good. So don't forget about the Gerard link down below, and happy shopping, happy Friday. Love you all.